Hey, what's up, you guys? Today is 5:51 a.m. July 4th. July 4th. Here we go. This is a concept of a refabricated watch of a steam engine of here in the center is refabrication of reverse engineering of redevising engine of a gearbox. Gearboxes on display, gears of a new way you can design any engine any way you want as any gearbox. Keep going. Turn this side, to the side, to the side. Now, this is another typical engine. Design sketching on display of what I am as mechanical electrodynamics microsystems. This is a micro engine. It looks small. It's really small. Of a 5-foot engine. 5-foot engine. But if it get smaller, it'd be like this previous engine. Like this previous engine right here. And with engineering, flipping the concept around, and this is a concept of another engine. And at the bottom right there, at the bottom right here, is a drone with a weapon. Here is another engine. And they are designed like drones. Drones are the new wave of engines. And here's a specific drone. Here's a specific drone of additive manufacturing, drivetrain of what is the basics of automotive engineering and FANUC which is the basics of machine design and municipal engineering of a civilized engineer, a help to society. All engineers, all designers need to be a help to society and serve a purpose in the engineering design process. This is another vehicle. All of these are vehicles. This is a vehicle. You can't have that signature of an influence of here. You see Horus or a custom-made vehicle, engine. The cut design from my SolidWorks class that I completed. Another swooping design of agile ability through terrain of automotive design. And finally, another vehicle of another drone of a togetherness. How you start up with a togetherness and you finish with a togetherness of a whole silhouette like hand. You would draw your hand. You would draw your hand as any type of a design or mechanism. Because your hands are what you use to design. Your hands are what you use to design. Your hands design. Use your hands for the glory of God. Use your hands to do the right thing and do the wrong thing. Keep your mind good, your mind clear. Use your hands to do the right thing. Your hands. Keep your hands pure, your mind pure. And here is another situation of engineering design of what I wanted to do with a drone. What I wanted to do with the drone. This is vibrating piping inliner. And I started off here. Drivetrain of a aerospace design. Aviation design. And that is the propeller. And it starts off with those are the vector. And that's that M. This is M design that I shared previously. And that is the engine. exhaust, engine exhaust, carbonless, these machine parts. All of this is machine design. All of this is machine design. Nothing fancy. If you're not meant to do it, you're not meant to do it. There's nothing to compete about. Nothing to compete about. Nothing to get jealous about. Because at the end of the day, I am job hunting for a design engineering position, and I will have to build the engine. You have to build these things. There's more about the equation of 3ax of equations you have to do when you are an engineer, design engineer. This is sketching and science and data analysis and IT and computer engineering and many forms of electrical engineering that I have studied, either completed or incompleted, throughout my studies as a career student and college student, as a college graduate. And career school is more work than college coursework. So if you have career training and apprenticeship, combine that with college degree, and you can keep doing that as much as you want. You can do as much as you want, as much as you desire. You could do that forever. This is a close up. And this is where it all began. Rapid Viz. Of course, I did well in A+ at ITT Tech. My degree, my qualifications, diploma, certification, transcript. I have a degree. This was the class I did well in. I enjoyed that. It is more. I didn't invent this process. Pages I printed out from a book, made copies of. Because you don't forget this. This is a scientific method right here of engineering design. All of this process is locomotion. Drivetrain is the beginning of locomotion in the mind, and it extrudes like a machine, extrusion machine, into the real world. That's the matrix and the reality. Until you put it on paper, that's the real thing. So you can carve it in reality. There you go. Engineering process. Paper, reality starts in your body, moves to paper, reality till it's built. So make it happen. Get a career, because this is advanced manufacturing. Validation engineer. Sign out. God see.